In December of 2006, a man sat in a police interrogation room for hours, confused, disoriented, and barely conscious. Police believed he was a suspect. What they didn't realize was that he'd been shot in the head. This is the tragic story of Ryan Waller, and one of the most disturbing failures in modern police history. Who was Ryan Waller? Ryan Waller was 24 years old. He lived in Phoenix, Arizona, with his girlfriend, Heather Quan. Friends described Ryan as quiet and nonviolent. He had no criminal history, and no signs of the nightmare that was about to unfold. On the night of December 23, 2006, two men came to their apartment. What happened next would change everything. The men, David Hall and Christopher Jr. Brown, entered the apartment with one motive: robbery. Heather Quan was shot and killed. Ryan Waller was shot through the face, the bullet entering near his eye and becoming lodged in his brain. Amazingly, Ryan survived, bleeding internally, confused, and barely conscious. He was left alive in the apartment, with Heather's body. The next day, police were called for a welfare check. They found Ryan alive, but clearly injured. His face was swollen. He could barely open his eyes. He struggled to speak. Instead of treating him as a victim, police treated him as a suspect. Ryan was taken to the police station for questioning. No ambulance, no medical evaluation, no hospital. There was still a bullet inside his brain. During the interrogation, Ryan was visibly impaired. He slurred his words. He gave confused answers. He looked like he was barely awake. At one point, an officer asked him why he was there. Ryan replied, "I don't know. I don't feel good." Instead of stopping the interrogation, police continued questioning him for hours. They believed his behavior showed guilt. In reality, his brain was swelling, and his condition was worsening by the minute. Eventually, Ryan was taken to the hospital. Doctors immediately ordered scans. That's when they found it: a gunshot wound to the head, a bullet lodged in his brain. Emergency surgery was performed. Ryan survived, but the damage was permanent. Ryan lost vision in one eye. He suffered severe cognitive impairment. He could no longer live independently. His mother became his full-time caretaker. The real attackers were eventually arrested, charged, and convicted. But for Ryan, justice came too late. Ryan Waller's case shocked the public. As a result, Arizona passed the Ryan Waller Act, requiring medical clearance before police interrogations in certain cases. His suffering forced change, but it came at an unimaginable cost. Ryan Waller passed away in 2016, at just 33 years old, from complications related to his injuries. His story is not just true crime. It's a warning, a reminder that when empathy is ignored and assumptions replace care, innocent lives can be destroyed. Rest in peace, Ryan Waller.